Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're telling this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 1.5-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. Similar to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels from hand-cooked tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2021 Bronco Sport also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with the first sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features and power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Make your way into the cabin, you'll see your lovely black and brown leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, which is option on the left, and a medium hands-free option on the right, which is developing a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward, you can see this Bronco Sport has 55,634 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available, such as our audio, phone integration, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.